Okay, so I am going to show you how to add extra calendars and show you kind of how the calendar plugin works. You're going to want to go to your dashboard when you're logged in. Let me know if you need that information updated to get your password new. Okay, and go to your calendars. This is going to show you all the individual calendars we created as well as the two main calendars. So Calgary calendar and Edmonton calendar are the ones that are showing up currently on your site. So each of these individual courses has been listed under a certain category, either the Calgary courses calendar or the Edmonton courses calendar. Based on which category you list each of these separate calendars depends on which main calendar that you show up on. So I'm going to show you how I would suggest you add a new calendar. The first thing you're going to want to do is press the clone button. What that's going to do is basically keep all the current settings that you have, so you don't have to worry about fiddling with a lot of it, and you only have to change the pertinent information. Right here is where the new one showed up, and I can tell because it's got copy in brackets. You press the edit button. It'll bring you to the calendar page. A couple of things you're going to want to change right off the bat is the name of the calendar. Okay, now whatever name of the course you put in, you're going to want to copy this information in and change the permalink. You do not need to add the dashes in there. It will turn it into a proper format for you. Next step you're going to want to do is go down to the Book Now hyperlink, and this is where your training seeker URL goes in. Press the edit button, change this to the appropriate course from the training seeker website, and press apply. Okay, continue to scroll down here. The only other thing you really need to change is the group calendar. So this is the calendar ID that you got from Google. It's the one that starts with the industrialsafety.com. So just select all of that and paste in the proper one. Scroll up on the right hand side, choose whether this is a Calgary course or an Edmonton course. Okay, and press update. These courses will not show up immediately because it only pulls from the Google Calendar every 2 hours. If you wanted to change that so it did it on a more regular basis, you can do so by editing the individual calendars and the main calendar. You would do that by going to Advanced here. And under Cache, the refresh interval is currently set to 2 hours. You can set that to pretty much anything you wanted to. So you can set it to 2 minutes if you'd like, if you wanted it to pull on a regular basis. So that's all the information you really need. Make sure whenever you make any changes that you want to keep, you're always pressing the update button or it will not take. If you have any questions, just let me know.